Okay guys, I'm gonna do a little like quick what I do to get ready when I want to get ready, but I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup. It's like literally the same routine all the time. So first I start out with NARS. First I wash my face, moisturize and stuff like that. So I start off with my NARS concealer, Radiant Creamy. This is in the color Walnut. And I brighten up my under eyes a little bit. And I need to get a new brow pencil, but I'm letting my eyebrows go in because they were very uneven. So as you can see, the new growth under here. This one is perfect, but this one, the ends are a little choppy, so I'm just letting them grow in. So I put that on there. And I go in with a little brush like this. This is an eyeshadow brush, but I'm using it as a blending brush. And I just blend that out. Normally, it's probably easier to use one of those, I'm having a brain fog. One of those sponges. The ones from like Real Technique. I'm really forgetting. Yeah, so this is what I do when I want to do a little spruce up and I don't want to look like I have a bag of makeup on. That's good. And then I just blend it out with this one. And sometimes I even go in with my finger, but you can see that's blended pretty well. I don't really need to do much else. So we'll just do the other side. And again, this is just to brighten up the eyes. Look alive. And then I'll do some I did concealer. I'll do some mascara. But today I'm very excited about this video because I'm actually using my video camera for a mirror. Like this is, I'm just showing you really quick what I do, you know. So boom, and you can see I got a little spruce up already. Yep, that's it. That's what I do when I want to spruce up. And then to kind of blend out and even out, I use my black opal complexion powder in Deep 5. Normally I have a napkin so this doesn't get everywhere. And I have a little Bare Minerals. This is a really old brush. So I'm on the quest to revamp my makeup. I could have used a little around my lips, so let me do that. Maybe not. No, I'm good. And a little powder. And that's really what I do. But the highlight of this video is coming right up. I'm really excited. So I do have the Japanese hair treatment system in my hair. My hair doesn't get curly as much anymore. Some people say it's kind of like a relaxer, but I feel like, I don't know, I don't think it's a relaxer. But I'm excited to introduce the Baskin Lather Edge Control, which I'm gonna tame these edges. Just because you have a relaxer or a Japanese straightening system doesn't mean you can't do edges. So I am going to do my edges. And yes, I'm using a toothbrush the old-fashioned way. So I'm just doing this so that I can look a little like my hairline could be presentable. I don't have to straighten it. See? And it just, wow, look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at that. And I look like I got like a little lace front. But really, it's my natural hair. You know? Yo, your girl popping. And I think it's perfect for my edges because my edges are more than like my, obviously you're like your hair grows from your scalp, so my edges are always like more natural. So in order to tame them, I do this. And don't get me wrong, I like my natural just leave out look, but sometimes you need a little, you know, a little oil, a little edge control. Sometimes you need a little edge control to get everything sitting real pretty. Like, this is really good. I haven't had edge control like this in a while. And this one's from Baskin Lather. The link is in my bio. Not in my bio, I'm thinking of doing YouTube. The link is, just click the link below. And yeah, I kind of want to do it like that. Give me a second, I'm gonna get a everything's looking good. Wow. So that's it. That's how I get myself together. And that was like literally under 5 minutes. And then obviously I'll put some lip gloss on, or some, I do mostly lip gloss right now. Cause I was in this zone of like going for a natural look. Guys, make sure you get this. It smells really good. It smells like strawberries. Yeah, oh, see, I didn't even read it. It's for natural and relaxed hair. Like I said, I don't have a relaxer. I have a Japanese straightening system. So it's a little bit healthier for your hair. That's what they say. Well, guys, get the Baskin Lather edge control, okay? And then peace out.